Hey guys, I am here to show you a new AVENIR. It's a 2025. It is beautiful, like all the AVENIRs. I absolutely love it. But we're gonna go from the outside in. You guys let me know what you think of it and we'll go from there. Let's go. Our 2025 AVENIR model A24RB. We've got a nice big slide over here. It's such a different look. I love the AVENIR. The outside is so pretty. You've got a nice long awning. Let's see what we got in here. Got a nice little fridge out here, which is, it's always good. Right, and I'm sure we have the backup camera prep, which we do. But let's take a look inside. All right, so we got a lot of space in here. So the cool thing about, let me just get right into it. But the cool thing about this is you got your I love the couch, super comfy. But the cool thing is you can move this, turn it around, slip it in right here, and you've got that big dinette from here to here. Of course, having an L-shaped couch is always really nice, especially if it's just you and one other person, or even just you. It's really nice, and then you just need this right here. So, of course, this also makes one long bed or one long couch as well, because of course this goes out. But it is really comfy, and I love the windows right behind it as well. All right, and then over here, actually, we've got our entertainment right here. So you'd put a swivel on, turn it whatever way you would like. You got your fireplace right now down below and storage, and a little speaker comes with it as well. But you would put that swivel to face over here and just relax in your L-shaped couch that is super comfy. And then over here, we've got our kitchen. So we've got a nice big fridge, plenty of space to put your goods. You got a 3-burner, a nice oven, and a microwave above. You got storage right over here and down here, your drawers, and then you do have all of this counter space right next to this nice big sink. And I love when I see windows on all sides. I really do. All right, over here we've got our bathroom. All right, so plenty of space here. You've got a little, shelving. You can hang up your towels or robes, a nice size shower, and then you've got a nice size sink and mirror over here. Plenty of room right there. You're not going to bump your knees. And then you do have a pantry. Love a pantry. All right, let's go down here. We've got our master bedroom. First, you can see how much space there is already. You've got a queen size thick bed, side tables and cubbies on both sides, some storage up above and in here. So, and of course, outlets everywhere, but again, nice size. You can easily walk on both sides in this, and then of course you've got your beautiful windows on each side. But what do you guys think of this little unit? I love it. I love the price. It is a 2025, but if you're looking for something light, if you're looking for something that is just a coach, or even just if it's just you, this is a great unit. It has everything you need. But let me know what you think. My information, of course, is down below. Call, text, or email. Would love to help you guys out. But until next time, guys.